Maybe a brunch, a cocktail.
So can guests rent this out or rent time here or just reserve space?
Yes.
And is
Maybe
this
for
extra or they just have to say,
No,
can we
have
use
to
this?
pay every hour.
By the hour?
Yeah.
Do you know how much it is by the hour?
No.
Oh, okay.
But the food and beverage are included. Only is for the service.
Just for the, okay.
Yeah. For the setup and the waiters and the barmaids.
Mm-hmm.
On that area we have another pool, another restaurant, the Argentinian restaurant, the grill, with different steaks. For dinners, here in Grand, only 4 restaurants require a reservation. The Circus restaurant, I will show you, is the new spot for the kids. Also we have the Mexican Gourmet, Casa Mia, a JC Steakhouse, and the French restaurant, Le Chateau.
And I noticed the French restaurant is adults only, so that's 18
Yes.
and up.
No, it's adults only, 18 up.
And the other restaurants on the property is for anybody.
Yeah. First come, first serve.
Like we tried to get reservations for these restaurants when my family knew they were going to come here today for, you know, their day pass, and like everything was booked. They're like 9:30, we can get 11 people in.
Yeah, now is a huge problem with the occupancy.
Yeah.
Usually, we have to make the reservation always to the end, around after the check-in. So yeah, because it's crazy and high occupancy. Now it's summer. We are overbooked, so we have here the water park with the mini golf, bikes, a splash for the little one, medium slides.
Now, is there an age limit to the water park? Like young?
For the big ones,
Yeah.
it's like a meter and a half, and that's it. It's only the request.
Oh, so it's a size requirement,
Yeah.
height requirements.
Yeah. There's glass for the babies. In the middle we have a medium slide, waves pool, bar, snacks, mocktails for the kids. Lockers, restrooms.
Now, you said that this water slide is bigger than the one at Nizuk and
Yes.
Sunrise.
Yeah, totally. On Sunrise, we haven't a slide, only the splash for the kids.
Right.
But in Nizuk, we have a family slide, like 5 meters approx. This is total different.
So when this is full capacity, is there still enough chairs around the property for everybody to sit?
Yeah, we have to add more chairs, more umbrellas,
Okay.
more people,
Right.
more co-workers. Yeah.
Mr. Khaled Hassan, your presence is required at playroom front desk, please. Mr. Khaled
The reason is to
Hassan,
maintain
your
all
presence is required
the
at
service,
playroom front
the
desk,
same
please.
level. Here we have more luxury, so we have to put very due attention on the services, on the discipline for the co-workers, on the food.
So what's inside this building? Is this like a game room?
It's our playroom. It's the biggest playroom in all Latin America. Please follow me. I will show you. We have another mini golf. Neon mini golf inside. No tickets, no points, all is okay.
Yeah. I had to turn the flash on. It's pretty dark. So this is mini golf.
This inside and the outside. Also in the middle, the Nizuk
And so this playroom is only for people staying at the Grand.
for the people who pay the day pass.
So you have to stay here or have a day pass to the Grand to use this playroom.
The broker, the artist.
Pac-Man.
tag.
Laser tag. Interesting.
Time ring with the different colors.
Bumper cars?
Yeah. On the corner we have the sports simulator, baseball, soccer, football, basketball.
Welcome to Visual Sports Basketball. 5 sets remaining.
There's no up there.
I hear. Go shoot.
Shoot, you'll be on YouTube.
Alright,
Go shoot.
what's your channel name?
Soulshine Travel.
Soulshine Travel, we gotta check it out.
SOLSHINE
Hi,
Travel.
Soulshine Travel. We're here in Cancun, Mexico.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Skyrim also.
So this is like like a ropes course.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Also we have on the middle the
Is that like
we have to do-
escape room?
Yes, it's escape room.
Escape? Oh, that's a small escape room. Yeah. Is it timed?
Yeah, 15 minutes
15 minutes.
to play. Magic hole. Also we have another free rider. At the final. Another floor rider with 3 slides. Bigger than the Sunrise because in Sunrise we have 2 slides. Here we have another one. Another pool area, another bar.